We were recently gifted this product to see how our kids would love it. This is the Bonsai Tree Kit. We're doing a review. There's 5 unique Japanese bonsai trees. This was such an incredible process for my kids to be a part of with me. We did this over the course of a few days so that we could follow all the steps. The instructions are wonderful. It gives you scanning so you can find the instructions online. It gives you extra seeds, so in case your first seeds don't sprout, don't fret, you can start again. All the little cases that it came with, the little tools that it came with, everything was perfectly wrapped up in this kit. It is the coolest process ever. Make sure you keep everything organized so that you don't mix up the seeds. We put our warm filtered water in these cups, let them soak overnight. And then the next day, about 24 hours later, we were able to plant them. The soil was probably my kids' favorite part because that was just the coolest thing, watching those little soil discs expand.
It's growing. Oh my god.
Well, that is pretty cool.
That is crazy. It looks like a cookie.
It just
Since it's growing. Gosh, Dad, look at this.
Our trees haven't fully finished growing yet, so I'm going to give an updated review as soon as we do have some further along trees. It is a longer process, but it was so much fun to do this with the kids. This is us just wringing out the dirt and making sure that it was ready and moist for the seeds to be planted in. Gotta push it down in there. Now we're going to cover it up.
And then this one, wisteria.
Yep, stick it up.
Here.
So these are our bonsai trees. This is day 11. We've got 2 winners right here that are sprouting. This one keeps growing like amazing. I swear you can like watch it grow. These ones have yet to sprout. So I'm sure in the next few days it's set up to like 2 weeks, but just wanted to give you an update on that. We're not going to give it too much direct sun today, but we have been using this mister bottle to keep it watered.